Last video, I said that I will tell about some more function, but I think the function is enough. We have covered basic concept, and you must have cleared the basic concept of the function. So I will just for a few more about your knowledge. It's not much for the beginner, not necessary. Also called one thing nested loop. So I will just only give you basic concept of that. So, for example, we will create as this is the dictionary of sorry. So basically, this is the function, and we have to call that function. So is a is equal to take you input from you and display. What's happening. You have to come here and you have to come and just select one. Okay, sorry, my mistake. Now we have to run. So you can see that why it's not running the program. Yes, here you now have to enter the command and so it will print 10. Okay, for your easiness, I will write 1 and it will, and now I will write 2. Then you can see the difference, and I will write 3. So it will print 3. So let's try to understand that loop. So this is the definition function key. This is the name of the your function, and if this is the parameters or arguments, if you want to give that, it will take one argument. Okay, let's suppose if we get here two arguments, then we can create a function that input will take two arguments and will print. So how this loop work? So it run. So for I range the range n we are giving the I, and inside that for j in range n we are giving the one more function range n. So it will say that print star and it will end empty. If you want to give this and then now run, then it will end in the comma. So you can see that it will end every, this will be separated with the comma. Every static will be separated with comma. If you want any other dollar sign, so this will end with your dollar sign. You can see this. Yes, this is basically for this purpose. I hope you have some more understanding and clear of in for loop. Let's create one more for your easiness. So this is one function, one loop. Now inside this we are creating another function. This is nested function. Okay, okay, change it. Okay, so now we will print loop. Okay, and this is print. This is a nested function. Okay, now we will get out from this and print here. This is a function. This is a nested function and this is a function. And now we will show, tell him to show. Okay. So this is the nested function. So let's run and try to understand. So I think I will just now I will run again. Yes, this is a function. Okay, hello. This is a nested function. So why it's not print C4? Okay, uh, so you can see we create this function, so it will run, then it will read that there is another function, this too. So show. So we have called this here, that's why it is printing first. So if we delete it and now run, you now see the difference. So this is a function. Okay. Now you can see this is a function. So it's not display the show function because we didn't call. Okay. If we call, if we call, then it will definitely will be run. You can see. Oh, sorry, this is the nested function. That's why we can't call them separately. So we have to call here if you want to print FIFO. Okay, so we can here, and this is the show. Now you may see that yes, hello. Now it's printing the way of FIFO, not LIFO. This is hello. So this function will call. Let's see that there is another function. Then this is print hello. This is a nested function. Then we call that print this, and after calling this, there is this function. This is the print this function. Then we have called later this why this is printing this. So this is for it. So our function topic is clear or finished. So I will request you to please comment in the section box and help me learning. Thank you. Thank you. See you. Stay tuned.